Hello, darlings. How are you today? Welcome to Bali, yeah? What's cracking, brothers? Beautiful day here in Bali. I'm in Padma in Legian. Actually, this behind me is the Bali Mandira and the Azul Beach Club. Let's see if it's something changed. I was here last time a month ago. But anyway, I'm come back to Bali, and with that, I will continue my daily vlogs from Bali on the regular old paths. I hope so you will enjoy. Also, during my last travel during the past month in Singapore and in Vietnam, I got about 1,500 new subscribers. So I welcome all. That's something new for you. I hope so you will enjoy. And probably in June, I will come back to travel somewhere in Southeast Asia. Yo, small guy, small boy, wanna say hi to you guys. Meanwhile, little shot of the Bali Mandira Hotel and Azul. For me, looks pretty the same like a month ago. However, I think it's slightly more customers in the club. The beach street situation pretty the same. The beach situation, well, all still almost closed. Some of them they coming back. There are some couples sitting here and here, but not much has changed eventually. But there are some customers actually deep inside the bar, that's for sure. In Bali Mandira there are also few tourists, foreigner tourists, so slightly more improvements around. Tech lady, some tourists, thank you. And over some tourists here around, the singing guy somewhere around, corn guy, something's happening. Singing guy over here, he sang for me before. Corn, 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 yes. Thank you. Here we go. This is my favorite parking guy over here. Hello, my friend.
You very good, thank you. The holy day of life. Be the boobies, be the inside.
So
Thank
cool,
you, yeah.
thank you, yeah.
We the fools in the finishing at 5,000. Lady, you parking the 5,000. Let it. Do the city guy to 5. Hey!
Just got invitation for a drink from somebody who is staying in Padma in this hotel over here. So that's also good news, as many of you guys already coming back to Bali. So let's have a look. How does it look on Padma Street right now? Poser Pub is open, I think, for the first time since last 2 years. Unbelievable. And nice Harleys over here. And there are some people. So yeah, it's getting better and better. Tourists walking around, massage ladies around. Hello, how are you? Hi, darling. Massage ladies are here waiting for you. There are more people here, tourists everywhere around. Well, Bali's back. I mean, it's so alive right now, much more than it was before. Hello, welcome to Bali. Well, I'm gonna say I'm impressed. Actually, it's so much busier than a month ago. Definitely, this is the entrance to the garlic lane, in famous garlic lane. Maybe on different occasion I'm gonna vlog there. Meanwhile, let's focus on the Padma. At least at the beginning looks definitely much more optimistic. Hello! Little bit shy ladies. And new bar over here is open. Improvements all the time. Some street vendors are also open with the bags and the accessories and stuff like this. And this is the Loka Legian, because in Ubud they also have it. But yeah, it's still like a 30-40%, but better than it was. It was 0 or 5% only before. Definitely more and more vendors are opening up, heading just to Momos, having a look if they are open already or not. Meanwhile, the shops, taxi driver honking for you, so that's the good sign. And here we go, Momo Steakhouse is open again, guys. Not so many people, one customer only. However, it's open, so it's definitely good improvement. And meanwhile, situation on the street still quiet, but it's getting better. Transport, all good. Big sabab. The biggest Inimart is open. Yo!
Come to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. This is the entrance to the Garlic Street, and this is the most busier looking corner actually right now. Massage. Hello, thank you. Thank you, hello. Money changers with the current situation in case if you're interested. Hello, darlings, how are you today? Welcome to Bali, yeah? I'm from Poland.
Oh, Holland.
Poland,
Holland.
yeah.
Acting Holland.
Ah, it's all right, all right. Okay, darlings, how is the business? All good, all good? Slow, but it's better, yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, I cannot today, but I wish you good luck, okay? Thank you, enjoy, bye. Very nice people making a massage in Legian. You know what I'm thinking, but it's very nice. Also, the poser pub is open and everybody are so friendly in Bali right now. Heading now to Erika and Padma hotel area. There are also still quite a lot of local tourists. When you watch maybe someone's other people video in the past week, there was the holidays in Indonesia. That's why I was so busy. But now everything is come back. Holidays are over. Everyone come back to work. So now it's more comprehensive situation. How does it look like? Is it busy or not? And you can see definitely the current situation. How is it in real? Meanwhile, a little bit of the look of the Padma hotel. Padma hotel is open. And yeah, I'm heading to Erika Warung. Let's see. Hello, Erika. How are ya? Long time no see. I come. Give me a hug. Oh. How are you? How is the business? Better?
Yeah, better, good. You know Rio?
Rio?
Rio, but Rio see it in YouTube. Coming always drink here.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, do you have a cola for me?
Diet?
Normal cola.
Normal. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Meanwhile, that's the little bit situation by the beach in Legian next to Erika Warung. Let's see how does it look like around. Looks like this. Mozzarella is open, however the Melasty area of the beach looks like this. There's some guests actually in Mozzarella and some people walking around, and a little bit of the Harry bar look like this. It was no sunset today, unfortunately. Yo, what's cracking? We are with John today.
Welcome to Bali.
Where are you coming from, my friend, by the way?
Perth, WA.
Perth, all right.
I'm from Bali.
This guy's from Bali. Hello.
It's Damian from TheMonkeys.
So, what do you think about the current situation in Bali? So cool, right?
It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's still hot.
Still.
It's still cheap.
Very
and the
hot.
beach is still good.
Okay. All right. There are some tourists around. We're having another bartender is happy as he got a job in Poser. This is Poser Bar. Yeah, I think so. And yeah, life is back. Yo. All right. On the way home, anyway, quick look of the VIP bomb Legian and Kuta. People making pictures as always. VIP. Have some customers inside the bar. I don't know if you can see that. There are several people around. Sky Garden is still closed and probably always will be. And let's see, another engine room open but empty. And the streets are not so crowded here. Bounty discotheque is open, but I don't see any parties running around. And the party's next one is closed. Okay, some people working around, but it's still actually very quiet here. I mean, slightly better. It's middle of the week and the LXXY is open, but it doesn't look busier. And this is the one of the pubs. Some people. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow on next one. As always, see ya. Take care, guys.